Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how you can add fonts to Figma. So the first thing here that we're going to do is we need to open up your browser. Now here on your browser, we're going to type here on the search box figma.com/downloads. So type right here figma.com/downloads, and then we're going to press enter on our keyboard. Now here, we're going to the page. As you can see, the Figma downloads. Now, under the font installers, we're going to click on this Windows installer. So right from here, so we're going to click on that. And basically, it will install these font installers. So right there. And then what we're going to do is basically, you just need to install this one. So go to that folder, and then we're going to double click to basically install this to your computer. So this is what it looks like. So basically click on install, and then once done here, click on this close button. And then once it completed, we're going to find our fonts. So we're going to open a new tab here, and we will try to type fonts no copyright. And then we'll find these results. And basically, we just need to select the first website here, which is the font space. So free fonts for commercial use. We're going to click on this one. Now, for example, we're going to download a random font right here. So like this, super fun time. So click on the download icon to basically download this to your computer. Now, the next step that we're going to do is to create a new folder for these new files here. So create a new folder, so right there. And then basically go back to the download folder, and we're going to open that fonts right here. So double click on this one, and then select the two files and just drag and drop to the new folder. And then once done here, close it. So we're going to close this window. Then we're going to open this new folder, right? And then here in the new folder, click on the second one here, double click. Once you click on that, you'll find this fonts, and basically click on the install button right there at the top left. Now, once you install this fonts, basically it will automatically opens up your Figma app, and then you just need to reopen this one. So close this app and reopen this Figma. And then once you open, go to this local styles and click on text. And here on the fonts, we can find the fonts right here, which is the super fun time. So there you go. We have added the new font on Figma. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.